Hey guys, Dino here from Tristano-Matic, and we're just going to have a bit of a walk, bit of a nighttime or early nighttime walk down through the main road of El Nido. You might have seen a vlog there earlier where I was walking down the beach here. Well, that was about 2 seconds ago. So I'm going to walk back inland and show you a bit of that, and we might have a look at a bit of the daytime later on in the vlog too. So let's have a look. In we go. I remember old mate, I think I've seen another vlog here. I think he might have been in there. He went and get his motorbike. A young fella that does some pretty good vlogs and doing quite well for himself, I think. Can't remember his name. If you know who it is, chuck it on the comments, let us know. Hey everyone. Well, it's been a long day, so I thought I'd better sit down and just have a beverage. Just a cool drink, of course. Oh, busted. Thank you very much. Whoops. Now today I've been looking at maps of El Nido and Coron, and I'm a bit confused sort of what the layout of this joint is. I sort of know it, I've looked at it, studied a lot before I come over, but so you've got El Nido beach here, so that's where I am obviously. Airport was, I don't know where, just here somewhere, there it is. And you got this section here, which is the main El Nido. And I think all these tours, you got A, B, C and D tour and that, I think this is the place. Yeah, tour A, blah, blah. They go out to these different islands. And also over to this Coron beach tour, but it's pretty nice. I'm only here for a bit, so that's about as far as I'll get. Hopefully a tour, look here. And there might have even been some hot springs here or something too. So if that's the place, I could be getting confused with Coron, but I think it was here. So, got a bit to do. Go then.
We have seafood, we have chicken, pork, beef, vegetables.
Right on the water, looks great.
We have pasta also.
Thank you, ma'am. So yeah, got the little liquor store there. Everything's, I'll just show you this too. These are all the tours that can be done if you want to look. A, B, C and D, different tours. Take you different places. And all the streets are, well, they're sort of concreted, but it's dirt all over them. So I feel like you're on dirt roads. So yeah. Anyway. But yeah, man, what a cool little joint. And you got the homemade gelati. And looks like you got a really cool joint up top there. The bars are just so cool, eh? Great restaurant's got a convenience store, rooftop bar there, and looks like a real high rooftop bar up here. Karaoke lounge. Someone's up there getting a tap. Let's go have a look, eh? See what they got going on in here. You got all the hey, how are you? I'm just gonna have a quick look. Yeah, I probably won't stay tonight. So you've got all of good little place to feed. There seems to be a lot of fresh fish around, so and you got the water right behind you there, so no doubt a beautiful little place to have a feed. Just went into the police station there just to get a bit of an idea on drones, and I've got my beautiful wife, which is calling me right now as I'm walking down the road doing a vlog. And here's Lisa. Hello, Lucy. Anyway, I better talk to my wife. So anyway, you can fly drones, and but just the normal rules apply. So here we come across this little place, and I think Lisa's just called. So I've just come across this place, and I think it's the local casino. You can come in here and you can put your money down and you can have a crack at that and then try and have a win. And they got different ones here too. Some little card game. Don't know what that is. See where your ping pong ball ends up. Like the old Brentwood Footy Club. So you got one of those, one win. Go for it, boys. Good on you. There you go. So that's the local El Nido Casino. Oh, what do we got here? We have. Oh, this is the big shopping centre. I do need a bit of stuff, but I don't want to have to carry it all the way home. It's tough, isn't it? All these decisions you got to make, because I don't know if there's another one on the way home. The stress that you have to go through, seriously. That's a cool little shop. Stress you have to go through as a part-time blogger. I tell you what, some people don't realise how stressful this job is, mate. Anyway, that looks like a cool little joint up there. And we're back on the main drag. Oh, look at little mate. Hello. Here we are at the basketball, the local basketball here. And there you go. Shout out to my boy Benny playing basketball over in Europe. What are these? Actually, these little rooms here. I remember once when I was in years ago, and I was in Philippines actually, but up north further, Olongapo or something, and yeah, I'd run out of money. Had to get money wide over, but it wasn't getting there for weeks, and had to stay in a real cheap little place there for about bloody $2 a night or something. That joint just reminded me of it. Until my daddy came and saved me, because he was just in the next town, so he ended up rocking up, and I couldn't have hugged him more when I saw him. Anyway, part of travelling. These days you don't get that, because, I'll just have a quick look down here, because you got all the ATM machines and everything, so you don't have to worry about wiring money and whatnot. So there you go. Eats code. Looks pretty good. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying the video. I really do put a lot of work into these, and it would be great if you could hit that subscribe button. It would really mean the world to me. Hey, enjoy. What do you have there? Oh, food truck. Oh, it is a food truck. Isn't that cool? And that's the food truck, guys. You can get your laksa. Have a look at the menu. Food truck El Nido. And we've got a little jeepney over here, which you can probably go for a ride in if you wanted to. There you go. How cool is that? Wow! Beer pong. Not too sure about that one. Street, El Nelido. Hey, Dino here from 3-Star Nomadic, and I'm with James.
Hi,
And
what's up?
I've just booked a tour.
Yeah.
We're doing tour, what are we doing? Tour B.
Tour B.
So I've just booked a private tour for 7,000
Yeah, that's really cheap.
cheap price.
Yeah.
With James, he's helped me out heaps, guys.
Yeah, let's get it on. Woohoo!
Anyway, I'm gonna go and have an early night. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you down the track.